Every ancestral chains and padlock that tie all your children to one spot. If I hear some suddenly, they are broken down in the name of Jesus. I saw the handcuff your hand to the back. Spiritually. They put spiritual handcuff and they don't even handcuff to the front, to the back. And I see this fellow. There are a lot of effort that they coming to your front, but they will not present anything to you because why? Your hand is handcuffed to the back. Please, you will shake your hand very well. You are going to clap your hand very well. Now, so clap your hand, let that handcuff fall off from your hand. Amen. Because if this handcuff don't fall, you can't receive anything. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Say that is handcuff. Satanic handcuff. In my hand. In my hand. On my hand. On my hand. Blocking my blessings. As I close your prayer. Satanic handcuff. Satanic handcuff. On your hand. The Lord is the best. Be shaking it, be shaking it. As you are shaking it, that handcuff is falling. The evil rope, the evil chains on your hand, the one is to tie your hand and not allowing you to receive blessing. Be shaking it, shake it off, shake it off. Shake the hand off. Shake it. And declare fire on your hands. Fire on your hands. Fire on your hand. As you are shaking it, that handcuff is falling off. As you are shaking it in your hand. That's right. That's why the angels move now. And we move on the handcuff of your hands. And these the angels now. Let the angels move. Angels of freedom move. Anyone that have chained your hands, anyone here that have handcuffed your hand, and they buy your hand not carry money, they buy your hand not carry visa, they buy your hand not drive no car. Shake all those targets. They lose my hand. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. In Jesus' mighty name I pray. Amen. I count 1 to 7. Any handcuff in your hands.